Hey, welcome back to the channel. Name's Scott. I'm creator of RC Terminator. Hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Stay up to date with us. Uh, let's get on with the video. Today we are talking about all my collection and what we got going on. We'll start with number one. That one is an HPI RS4 Nitro Street. Actually had the body custom painted, and I think it did an awesome job. It's got a few upgrades up in there. All in all, nice little truck. Haven't run this one yet, kind of afraid to. Got it used, so I got to go through everything. But she's just about ready to go. Second one, as you see, it's a project. Two-wheel drive Traxxas Slash, and it needs motor, needs a lot of stuff, as you can see. But that's okay. I've got parts ordered for it. Let me know down in the comment if you guys want me to do a build video, repair video, or just fix them and keep on bashing. Just let me know what you guys want me to do. That is a two-wheel drive Traxxas Slash. I haven't run one yet, so it'd be kind of neat to see how that one works. Have you seen in my previous video, which I'll put that at the end so you guys can see it. It's a Losi 5T. Actually running a 29cc dynamite motor in it. Bartolone pipe. Aluminum wheels. Did a couple upgrades. This little piece, chassis brace, front and rear. Did the dual steering servo with all aluminum bracing. Aftermarket air cleaner. Got it up high so I can get a little better air. Let's see what else I did. Oh yeah, did all the aluminum bracing. I only replace something when I break it. And from that whole bash session, all that happened was this is a little bit loose. That's okay, I'm gonna fix that. Get that all taken care of. Got a new body for it. She's ready to go. That's the OEM body. She's ready though. Team Associated B4. That one's just a roller. That needs a lot of work. Same thing, if you want me to do a build video, we'll work on that one. That one has nothing in it, not even a motor. If you guys can see, it's empty in there. No motor, but do got an aluminum motor plate. Let me know about that. Next one, RC10 GT Nitro. This one's an old girl, but she runs. Single speed, no foam in the tires. This one's old school antique, but she's a good runner. Another nice truck. Next one. This one is a Losi 10 short course truck. Seen that in a previous video as well. That's another cool truck. Actually got new wheels coming for it. Got a new motor ESC setup coming for it. I got to do some repairs on the body mounts. But all in all, this truck is cool. Aluminum skid plate. She's ready to rock. That one I had no problems with out there. Next one. It's a Losi Triple X short course truck. It's another one. I got a motor and ESC coming for it. That's all that one needs. I'm actually going a little crazy on power. That one's getting a 5.5 turn brushless system put in it. from Hobby Wing. That one's going to be a speed demon. Let me know if you guys want me to do a repair video on that or not. Put it down in the comments below. Let me know. Next one. It's a Kyosho Inferno 7.5 4-wheel drive buggy. Nitro, of course. I'm going to have to get that out and run it for you guys. That truck is cool. Yeah, sorry. Got a plane in the background. A little minion guy. He's just chilling. He's ready to go fly. HPI Super Nitro RS4 with the wide body. This thing's got a 300mm wheelbase. This thing is ridiculous. 2-speed, full race setup, street, full slicks, running a 12R motor in it. That thing is ridiculous fast, 70 miles an hour. I know they make faster, but for the age of that one, 70 is quick. Definitely quick. Nice truck. I like it. Got a couple bodies for that. Little minion guy hanging out, getting ready to go fly. He's having way too much fun up there. And the last one. Italian. You guys are waiting for this. Last video I run this thing, I actually broke it. Yes, broke Italian. It's not what you guys think. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. See that bolt? That's what I broke. That's it. This thing's already ready to go again. Still running a stock motor, ESC. The battery box. Changed the servo. Put a digital servo in there. Aluminum arm. Changed the wheels. I mean, come on guys. What do you guys think? Those wheels? Those wheels? Or those wheels? And I'm gonna have to say these. I like those bigger fat ones better anyhow. But yeah. There's the body I run with the Losi. Hurt the body a little bit here. These bolt holes. Tore it a little here. That's what happens when you're slinging 70 pounds in the air. Here. Cage is perfectly fine. Body here. Hurt it pretty good there. About ripped that fender all the way off. But other than that, she's been a good truck. Same as the Losi. There's the big boy. You kind of see the thing going on. Losi, Losi, Losi. I like my Losis. Man, there's a little minion guy again. So, do me a favor, guys. Right up there in the top corner, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, like it. Do me a favor, comment down below, let me know. You guys want to do any build videos? I've got a few of them needs to be done. Hey, I appreciate it. And do yourself a favor, go out there and have some fun. You know I will. See you next time.